What is up? It's your boy, Slice of Pie. Today we're looking at some GCSE maths and more specifically function notation. Now, I want to talk to you about part A of this section. This part of a spec wants us to understand that a function is a mapping between elements of two sets. The thing that stands out the most here is the word sets. And basically what a set is a collection of objects. This isn't limited to mathematical objects like numbers. It could be anything from cereal toppings to the guys Becky's taken to prom. But let's keep it to maths for the time being. So we could put the numbers 1, 3, and 117 in this set, and we write this down in mathematical speak as open curly bracket 1, 3, and 1017 close curly bracket. One of the important things about sets is the order does not matter. So the set of 1, 3, and 1017 is equal to the set of 3, 1017, 1. So we don't care how numbers are placed within the set. Another cool thing about sets is that we can have an empty set, which is equal to open close curly bracket. Or if we're feeling lazy, we can just draw a circle with a line in, and there we have it. Another name for the empty set is the null set. So now let's talk about functions. So what's their deal? What do we do? A function maps one set, which we're calling A for now, to another set, B. And we're going to populate A with the numbers 1, 2, and 3, and the set B with the numbers 4, 5, and 6. So let's create a function which maps the number 1 to the number 6, the number 2 to the number 4, and the number 3 to the number 5. And let's call this mapping or function f. We don't have to call this function f. It could be anything, we just need something to call it by. So it could be g, h, whatever, we don't care. So what if we want to know what the function f does to the number 1, which we can represent as f of 1 surrounding the 1 in parentheses. We look at our diagram and look that 1 goes to 6 if we follow the line. So we write this as f of 1 equals 6. And if we want to do the same thing for 2, we look at 2 and see where the arrow points, and this goes to 4. So f of 2 equals 4, and finally f of 3 goes to 5 if we follow the line. And this is basically the underlying principle behind functions. This might be quite a difficult concept to get your head around, but it is used so much, and not just if you study maths. If you do biology, chemistry, these bad boys pop up everywhere. And the more you play with them, the cooler they get, and the more useful they're going to be. So getting a really solid understanding of them now is going to help you so much in the long run.